How to create a Lyft account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a Lyft account. So to do that, first of all, download the Lyft app from either your Play Store or your App Store and simply open the app. Now once you've opened the app, simply tap on the option Get Started. Now you'll have to allow Lyft to use your location. So simply tap on the option Allow. Now enter your phone number. Now they will send a 6-digit verification code to your phone number. So simply enter the code over here. Now you will be asked to enter your first name and your last name. So once you've done that, you'll have to enter your email address over here. Now tap on the option Next. After that, you'll have to agree to their terms of service. So scroll to the bottom side of the screen and then tap on the option I agree. Now, if you want to allow push notifications, tap on the option Allow. But if you don't, tap on the option Skip. Now, you'll have to enter your payment method. So for now, I'll simply choose credit or debit card. Now, you'll have to fill out the details over here. So let me fill them out real quick. Now, tap on the option Save. And now, if you want to add a photo, you can do that. But for now, let's simply skip this process. And there you have it. So that is basically how you create a Lyft account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.